Hello, everybody, and welcome back once again to our online session of English grammar. Students, today I am going to explain you the topic infinitive gerund. It's very easy topic. The question arises, what is an infinitive? So first of all, I'll explain you what is an infinitive. Go, write, dance, walk, sing. All these are first forms of the verbs. If we use the preposition to before the first form of the word, that is called as infinitive. To read, to write, to dance, to walk, to sing, all these are infinitive. Now to convert an infinitive in gerund, what we have to do? Just we have to cancel the preposition to and add the suffix ing to the first form of the main verb. For example, to write is infinitive. What will be its gerund? Writing. To sing is an infinitive. What will be its gerund? Singing. To speak, speaking. To dance, dancing. To walk, walking. Sometimes what we have to do, gerund we have to convert into infinitive. So that is also very easy. What we have to do, we just have to cancel the suffix ing and add the preposition to before the first form of the main verb. For example, dancing is my hobby. Here dancing is gerund. If we want to convert this gerund into infinitive, what we have to do, we just have to cancel the suffix ing and add the preposition to before the first form of the verb. So the answer will be, to dance is my hobby. Many a times we are just told to pick out the infinitive, means we have to separate the infinitive. For example, I want to express my feelings clearly. In this sentence, what is the infinitive? Obviously, here infinitive is to express. Sometimes we are told to separate the gerund. For example, swimming is a good exercise. So here what is a gerund? Obviously here gerund is swimming. But most of the time what we are told to do, if in the given sentence infinitive is there, we are told to convert that infinitive into gerund, and if in the sentence gerund is there, we are told to convert that gerund into infinitive. So all these things I'll explain you through the sentences. So see, first sentence, she wants to make her career in singing. Here, if you are told just to separate the infinitive, then you have to see where is the infinitive. I already told you how to identify infinitive. Preposition to will be there, and after that, first form of the main verb will be there. So here, what is the infinitive? Yeah, to make. So in answer, we have to write to make. Swimming is a good exercise. So here swimming is the gerund. Mostly they tell us to convert the gerund form into infinitive. Use infinitive. So to convert swimming into infinitive, what we have to do, we have to cancel the suffix ing and we have to add the preposition to before the first form of the main verb. So the answer will be, to swim is a good exercise. He wants to ride a horse. Here to ride is the infinitive and we have to convert it into gerund. So what will be the answer? He wants to ride is the infinitive, and if we want to convert it into gerund, we have to cancel the preposition to and add the suffix ing to the verb ride. He wants riding a horse. One more sentence. She takes interest in listening music. So answer is she takes interest. Now remember that already before the gerund listening preposition is there and to is also the preposition, so we cannot use both the prepositions together when we are using to, so obviously we have to cancel the preposition in. She takes interest to listen music. So students, I hope that you have understood this topic. We will meet in the next session with a new topic. Till then, it's goodbye.